Welcome guys, welcome back to another video of Hermitoon. So today we are gonna do how to make an stylized Facebook logo. So just do it. It's very simple. I'll show you how to do that. Okay. So before that, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and leave some comments. Shift A, place a cube. S for scale. Z for Z axis to like a scale down. Then we'll do it. Okay, I think it's fine. Maybe a little bit more. And then go to modifiers. Then find bevel modifier. Add segments. So it will be curvy. The edges. It so depends upon your satisfaction how curvy and how like things in the edge should be looking. And increase a little bit amount. So it will bit more curvy like you can see right now. Then that's it. Then left click, shade smooth. That's it. That's how we make the base for logo. Then go to material, create a new material, put the RGB code. I think I don't have the RGB code right now, so I'll just randomly picking up the color. And if you have an Xcode, you can place it down here. And yeah, I don't have it, so wait, I'm not gonna do that. So I go with this color. I don't know exactly, this is Facebook's branding color, I don't know. So now we need to add the text F, like that's the Facebook's iconic logo thing, right? So to do that, shift A, go to text and tap to edit, press F, so we need the F, right? And tap to come back to layout. I'll exit edit mode basically. So then G Z to bring up the Facebook with like F to front, then right click, set to origin or to geometry, so it will be easy to move on around. So G on Y axis. Whenever you move something, try to make it press G, then axis will be easy to move. It will be always move along the axis, so it will be more comfortable for you guys to do that if you're new to Blender. If you are already know that, I am not to say anything. Then G, then X axis to get in the middle. Then we'll scale it up. S for scale, scale it up. I think it's fine. Just X and Y and move and place it along. And we look, it's perfect. I think there need to be some, we need to bring it down. I think it's too far. Yep, that's right. So the logo is done. So that's how we do the logo. If you like the video, guys, please don't forget to like the video and leave some comments, and also please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.